Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. Today we are going to discuss about the manual testing and automation testing. So, the manual testing is the testing that is done by the humans to test the software manually. Here the humans refers to the quality engineers. In manual testing, tester himself tests the software, execute the test cases and generates the reports manually by specifying whether the test is fail or pass. While in automation testing, tester writes the scripts in some programming language and helps to execute and generate the report with the help of automated tool. In this, the automation tester tests the scripts on the basis of the actual and expected result. So, basically, the automation testing helps to reduce the human efforts in order to do the repetitive work. Now, we will see what's the difference between the manual testing and the automation testing. Though the automation testing is faster than manual testing, as manual testing is time consuming. Also, the reports generated in the automation testing is much more readable and reliable as compared to the handmade reports made by the manual testers in the Excel and the Word. Automation testing also reduces the repetitive manual efforts, but at the same time, automation testing does not allow any human intervention, hence it does not give us the clear picture for the user friendliness of the website. And also the programming is must for the automation, so everybody can't do the automation testing. Automation testing does not allow ad hoc and exploratory testing. If there is any changes in the elements at the DOM, like the button, ID or any class gets changed, so it does not matter for the manual tester, but at the same time the automation tester needs to change the whole script so that the script will work as expected. Also, in automation testing, we can't test the CAPTCHA and the OTP flows, while we can do batch execution and parallel execution more easily in the automation testing. Initially, the investment is higher in the automation testing as compared to the manual testing, but later on the ROI is higher than the manual testing. So here we can see that both have its pros and cons. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for the other questions regarding the automation testing and the manual testing. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and if you have any queries then comment me in the comment box. So goodbye.